Hi everyone, and welcome back to our living room series. I was so thrilled to see how much you all loved the upcycled sweater sofa from the last video. So today, as promised, we are making the matching armchair to create the perfect set. And the great news is, we'll be using the exact same materials as last time. So go ahead and grab the rest of that old sweater, some cardboard, a ruler, a pencil, your hot glue gun, scissors, and a sponge. Okay, let's get started by cutting out all of our pieces from the cardboard. For the main structure of the armchair, we're going to need 11 squares and 4 rectangles. And don't worry, I'll have all the exact dimensions and quantities listed on the screen for you to follow along.
And for the soft, comfy parts, we're also going to cut out 4 pieces of sponge.
And we will also need some small wooden dowels. Okay, let's get to the fun part, the assembly. First, we're going to take 7 of our squares and stack them up, gluing them together one by one. This will create a really thick and solid base for our armchair. Perfect. Now find the single, narrowest rectangle piece. You should only have one of these. Go ahead and glue it right onto the front of the base. This is going to be the front panel, so it's the only side we need to worry about. The others will be hidden later. All right, now let's create our cushions. We're going to take our sponge pieces and glue them onto one of the squares and 3 of the rectangles. Okay, with the padding in place, we're going to cover each cushion with fabric, using the exact same technique we used for the sofa. We'll wrap the fabric around tightly, glue it down, and then simply trim off any excess material with our scissors for a neat finish. Okay, we have 3 squares left without any sponge. These will become the backrest and the arms of our armchair. We're going to cover them with fabric now, using the exact same method as before. Just wrap, glue, and trim. And we have just one last piece to cover with fabric, the front panel. Let's get that done, and then we can finally start the assembly. Now, for this front panel, we're going to use a special technique to get a perfect clean edge. Before we glue the fabric down, we're first going to fold the edge of the material under, almost like creating a little hem. This extra step is the secret to a professional-looking finish. Okay, all of our individual pieces are ready. Now let's start building our main components. Take the 3 squares we covered without sponge. These are our back and side panels. We're going to glue one of the rectangular cushions onto each of these panels. It's important to attach them close to the top edge. Okay, it's time for the final magical moment where all our pieces become an armchair. First, let's attach the large seat cushion. Add plenty of hot glue to the base and press it down firmly. Next, it's time for the backrest. Apply glue and carefully position it at the back. And finally, let's attach the two arms, one on each side. And here is the most important tip for this stage. With each piece, you need to press firmly and hold it in place for a few moments. This is crucial to make sure the hot glue cools down and creates a super strong bond, so your armchair won't fall apart. We are at the final touch. All that's left is to glue on our wooden dowel legs. Just remember the little trick we prepared for earlier. Make the indentations in the cardboard first. It helps the legs attach so much more securely. And there we have it. Our matching armchair is all done, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I seriously can't wait for the final video of this series, where we'll set up the entire living room and see all the furniture together. But what do you guys think? Do you like our new armchair? Let me know in the comments. And I have a very important question for you. For the next tutorial, should we make a matching poof for this set? Or would you prefer to see a different piece of furniture? Your comments will decide what we build next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the living room series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!